Let's learn about the preposition at and its uses. The word at as a preposition is used to show a point or period in time. For example, I get up at 9 a.m. I fish at the weekends. I'm on holiday at the moment. I only have a drink at lunch. The word at as a preposition is used to show a specific location. For example, Todd is at the bus stop. Someone is at the door. Jimmy is at his granddad's house. I'm at the back of the queue. Let's go into a little more detail when at can be used. We use at as a preposition of time in the phrase at night. I love flying around the sky at night. However, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or in the night. At meal times like breakfast, lunch or dinner. I always have a cooked meal at lunchtime. At bedtime. He always plays up at bedtime. At the moment or minute, at present or at the same time. Both jump in at the same time. At a specific time. I've got an interview at 9 today. At a holiday period like Christmas, Easter or the weekend. My mum usually takes me to the toy shop at the weekend. At is used as a preposition of place for specific locations, like a bar, bus stop, desk, door, table or shop. I've been at my desk all day. At a party, concert, game or conference. I'm so glad I'm at this game. At the front, back, top, bottom or the side. I'm at the back of the queue for lunch. At traffic lights, a roundabout, a crossing or a junction. We must wait at the crossing until the green man shows. At home, work, school, the dentist or someone's house. I've just arrived at my parents' house. I've been travelling for 8 months. At the hospital or jail or prison, this implies you are visiting. I'm at Lark Hill Prison to visit my boyfriend. At the beginning or at the end. I love watching the sunset at the end of the day. And finally, at a specific address. I live at number 40. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.